here's how to find big families on Google Fonts. So I'm going to go to the sans serif category, because those are the fonts that I think will be best for the kinds of projects that you will be making, although you can, if you want, to add serifs as well, up to you. We are going to need Latin extended, because we have Turkish characters. So when we check the Latin extended, we actually go down from almost 1400 families to 278. But then, in order to find the fonts that have the big families, what you need to do is you need to go here, check number of styles, and then move this over to about the middle, so that you have something like 8+. Okay? So I have 9+ here. If I go down one more, I should get 8+, which means that I will only be seeing the fonts that have more than 8 weights. Now if I increase this, and I would actually, if I increase this to, like, let's say 12, then that number lessens considerably. It goes down to 57. But now we actually have the fonts that have a lot of weights. So, for example, if we look at Roboto, it starts from a thin, and then it goes all the way up to a black, and that is the sort of thing that we are actually looking for. Or if we, let's say, and there are even bigger ones. So, for example, let's see, if we look at Barlow, which is a font that I would really advise you to look at, because it also has condensed and semi-condensed versions. Again, we start from thin, and then we go all the way up to black. Now, once we have decided on what font we want to use, we need to download it, because Wix does not really have a lot of Turkish character fonts, and it also does not have a lot of big families. So, for example, it has Roboto, but it only has 2 weights of Roboto, and we actually want the whole thing. So what you do is you just say download family, and then it'll just arrive on your desktop. And let's see, then you just open it, and it brought the whole thing onto my desktop actually. And then what you do is you just add a new piece of text. You say edit text, click on the font, and then go to upload fonts, click here, desktop, and here are all the Robotos. I just select all of them and I open, and it will upload them. This will take quite a while, so I'm not going to hang around here and waste your time, but essentially that is how you find a font which has a big family, and how you download it, and then how you upload it onto Wix. All very, very easy to do.